In this video, let's see how to manage members in a department by adding and deleting members. Click on the Members button to view the members of the selected department. Click on the Delete button next to a member's name to initiate the removal process. Confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button in the pop-up modal. Click on the Add Member button in the top right corner of the Members section. In the Add New Add Member modal, click on the drop-down menu to select items. Select Member from the drop-down list. Click the Save button in the modal to confirm your selection. Member successfully added to the department.